Think of your customer support portal as the front door to your service desk. It's where customers come for answers, reassurance, and quick help. With Desk365, that door isn't just functional, it's welcoming, branded, and secure. At its core, the support portal is a self-service space. Customers can raise tickets, track progress, dive into your knowledge base. It's designed to give them confidence that help is always just a click away. Desk365 speaks the language of your customers, literally. With support for 34 languages, including right-to-left layouts like Arabic and Hebrew, your portal adapts instantly. A simple language switcher at the top makes every visitor feel at home. Your portal should look and feel like part of your brand. That's why you can. Add a custom domain for a professional touch. Upload your logo, favorite icon, and even a background image for the login page. Match your theme colors to your brand palette. From the name at the top to the buttons in the header, every detail can be tuned to reflect your identity. Access is flexible. Customers can log in with Microsoft Entra ID single sign-on, email credentials, or both. But flexibility doesn't mean compromise. With multi-factor authentication, you can add an extra checkpoint, a second verification step that keeps accounts safe even if passwords are exposed. Security isn't just about logins. Desk365 also offers contact authentication, verifying that the person accessing ticket details is truly who they claim to be. It's a safeguard that builds trust and protects sensitive information. By default, reCAPTCHA shields your portal from bots. You can keep it on for peace of mind or turn it off if you prefer a smoother sign-in flow. Your knowledge base can be tailored too. Show or hide it, rename it, and even remove article feedback if you want a cleaner look. Header buttons, sign-in links, and the Create Ticket button can all be customized, even replaced with multiple ticket forms or extra links to external resources. Managing tickets is all about clarity. Desk365 lets you choose which columns appear in ticket lists, decide which properties show up on ticket detail pages, control which fields are included when tickets are exported. It's flexibility that ensures your team and your customers see exactly what matters most. From multilingual support to branding, authentication, and ticket management, Desk365 gives you the tools to create a portal that's not just functional, but professional, secure, and uniquely yours. Configure it once and let your customers enjoy a support experience that feels effortless,